Hi, it's me again. And I just came in from like wandering around in the rain, and the rain has stopped. But like my hair's still like rain in it, and like those things. So, anyway, I've had a song in my head the whole time I've been wandering around in the rain, and I thought I'd sing it for you. Well, I'm going to have accompaniment this time. Okay, here it goes. Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. They won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Oh, that was just wonderful. Now I want to do the fifth dimensions. Up, up and away in my beautiful ballad. But anyway, I won't do that one this time. Okay, where is it? See you later.